Welcome to my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu. Today I am going to prepare this Sikkim Style Alu Dum, which I will serve with this plain chapatti. So before I start the recipe, let me tell you something that this is a very simple recipe which we can find in Sikkim or Darjeeling or in Nepal when we are staying in homestay or in the hotels. So we can find this simple aloo dum which is very nice. For this I used pahari aloo, that is a red potato. The skin is pinkish red. So for this kind of recipe, please subscribe my channel, like, share, subscribe my channel Madhurima's Kitchen and Madhurima Basu, and let's go to the recipe. So for this Sikkim style aloo dum recipe, I have to heat mustard oil and I have boiled potatoes. I'll show it later. And the masalas I'm using, so I have this tomato, garlic and green chili. I made a paste of that. I have turmeric, salt, Kalonji, red chili powder, and this is black pepper powder instead of Timur, or what we can say Sichuan pepper. I don't have that Sichuan pepper, that Timur. That's why I'm using this black pepper powder, and that is optional. So let's start with the recipe first. Add some Kalonji, and now it's tomato garlic paste. Have to start this tomato garlic paste till the raw flavor is gone, the smell is gone. So I have to stir it for a couple of minutes. And some turmeric powder, red chili powder, now I have to cook it well. The gravy is almost done. I am adding some boiled potato. These are red potatoes from hill, so I have to mix it well. So the potato is already done, the aloo dum is done. It's very easy recipe. Switch off the gas and I will sprinkle some coriander leaf, freshly chopped coriander, and I'll serve this with roti.